Hi, my name is Harry. I'm from Cyrusher Sports. Today I'm going to review and test XF2000 fat tire electric bicycle. This bicycle behind me. So now I'm going to introduce the handlebar. And here you can see this is a grip for the left handlebar. And this is a bike computer. They have 3 buttons and plus, minus, and number 1. And the brand name is bike computer is 蓝克雷斯. And here in the middle is a quick release for if you want to judge the angle of the handlebar, so probably use that for that. And here go there, we can see Shimano shift levers is 7 speeds. And here is throttle. And here is the grips for the right hand. Okay, come here. And this brake lever for left side is control the rear wheel, and here this brake lever is control the front wheel. So it's totally different for a regular bicycle. Also, if you want to fold this handlebar, and there's a little button, press that and click OK, and then you can easily fold the handlebar. Okay, when you put it back, remember, okay, put it in back position, press that. Here we come to the front light, and here you can see here there's a 1, 2, 3, 4. It have a 4 little light inside the headlight, LED light here, and also you can change the angle as you need. It's pretty easy. Okay, so this is a switch suspension from the front fork. So if I can lock that, and I also can open that for the suspension. So here we come to the travel for the front fork. Let's measure the length of the travel. You can see here is about 8 centimeters for the travel. So here we come to the chain rail. You can see it's aluminum alloy frame for the chain rail, and then you have to press and fold. So here we come to the locker for the folding. So if we want to fold this bicycle, we need to first open that. So we have a press thing front and pull it out, and then we can fold it out. And this is for battery, and this is here you can see there's a charging mode there, which means that you can charge the battery here directly. And let's go down here. This key is for battery. A key lock the battery in the front. Okay, so this is a rear dereader. It's a Shimano brand, 7 speeds. And here is a free wheel. It's also Shimano. And here is the motor there. It's about 500 watt and 48 watt. Here we come to the brakes. This is a rotor for the brakes. The diameter is 160 millimeters, and also this is mechanical brakes there. Now we get into the front tire. The front tire, the size we can see the front tire, there's a size. It's 20 inch multiplies 4 inch. A 20 inch means the diameter of the wheel, and the 4 inch means the width of the tire. So the 4 inch, maybe you have no idea what's exactly the length for that. So we can put a cell phone here. You can see the tire even is larger than the phone. And also you can see there is a many dose there. So this dose is for anti-slipping. So first I'm going to measure this bicycle, and always the ruler with me. So I will measure this bicycle for the seat, for the handlebar, and also for the wheels. So first this is measure the height of the seat. So I already put the seat in the lowest position. So see how low that is. So the lowest position for the seat is 84 centimeters. I will adjust the height to a regular heat. So, to my waist, almost you know, for everyone should be okay. So let's see how heat it is. The highest position is 103 centimeters, like 4 feet. Now I'm going to measure the height of the handlebar from the ground. It's about 120 centimeters. Means the handlebar is 56 at 2.2 feet. Now I measure the length from the handlebar to the middle of the seat. It's about 66 centimeters. And now we're going to show you how to use the bike computer. You can see here the 3 buttons. On the top button is a plus button, and there's a number 1 button, and here is the minor buttons. So if I press the number 1 button for 3 seconds, the bike computer will be turned on. And you can see here is the assistant, the number 1 level is the number one level. And if I press minus button, we go to 0. If we turn on the throttle, if I press the plus button for 3 seconds, you will see here is the light on. The light here is on already. This button for 3 seconds again, you can see the light is turned off. If I press the plus button, we can go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The level is the number 5. Okay, after review the parts and components, this is bicycle. So now it's time to go.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.